How to see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can see who has viewed your Snapchat story. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, you'll need to have the latest updated version of your Snapchat. So for that, locate your app store, open it up, search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, open Snapchat up. There we go. And if you see an option that says update instead of open, tap on update and then update your app. Now open up your Snapchat, and after you're here, first you'll need to upload a story. So it's really simple. Click a snap or choose a picture from the gallery, then tap on story option at the bottom, then it will get posted. So now what you'll need to do to see who has viewed your Snapchat story is tap on the top left corner, and you should be on this section here. So there you should see my stories option. You can tap on that to see your story. You can see this is the one that I just posted. On the bottom left you will see an eye icon. Tap on that, and from here you can see who has viewed your story. For example, if someone has viewed your story, it should look something like this. So after that, yeah, you basically now know how you can see who viewed your Snapchat story. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.